perfect timing rocket launch game in Scratch. So it's a one key game. That means we are going to use only one key to control or play our game. And in this particular video we are going to make a power meter or a power gauge for our game. So this kind of power meter or power gauge can be used in other games as well, like in the penalty shooter game or in cricket game, something like that. So let's make that first. Okay, so let me get rid of this default sprite. Let's delete it. Yeah, and let's choose a nice background for our game. So let's go to choose a backdrop and search, and I will choose this blue sky backdrop. It's my favorite backdrop. And next let's create our own power meter. For that, go to the choose a sprite option and click on the paint, and next we are going to paint our power meter. So for that, choose the square shape or this rectangular shape, and let's fill the color with black. And we don't want any outline, so let's make it transparent, and let's draw a nice rectangle for our power meter. This one's looks good. Yeah, and our power meter will have a green rectangle as well. So let's select the green color, okay, and select the shape, and let's make a green color this much, and let's drag it in the center like this. So this will be our power meter. And oh no, delete it. Let me just center the whole thing here in the center of the canvas like this. Okay, that's it. And let's call this sprite the power meter, POWER METER meter. Okay, let's get back to the codes, and first of all let's place our power meter properly. So we have to place our power meter right around this place. Okay, and now let's go to events menu, drag a when green flag click block, and after that go to motions menu and drag go to XY block in here. And whenever our power meter is misplaced, if we click on the green flag, it will go back to its initial position. And now let's make the knob of our meter. To make the knob, we just go to choose a sprite and go to paint again, and this time let's call it a power knob. Yeah, in the sprite, POWER power NOB knob. And let's make a small knob. Choose a rectangular shape and choose the color. Let me just select the white color, and let's give it outline as well. Give outline of 4 pixels. Okay, and let's make a small square or rectangular knob like this, and I think it's fine. Place it in the middle of the canvas like this, and that's it. And our knob has been made. Go back to codes, and let me just drag this knob in the, let's just place it at this place first. Yeah, this is the starting place from where this knob will go up down like this. So first of all let's place it down here. And now let's go to the events menu and drag a when green flag click block, and after that let's go to the motions menu and drag a go to XY block like this, so that if we misplace our block like this, if we misplace something like this, and if we click in the green flag, everything goes back here, and we can see our knob because our knob is hidden behind this place. So to position it above the power meter, we can simply do something like this. Let me go back down here in the looks, go down here, and let's just drag go to front layer here. and let me just click on the green flag again, and we can see our knob now. And then now let's make this knob go back and forth, up and down like this. So for that, first of all, let's do something here. So when we click in the green flag, we are actually going to use a broadcast block. For that, go to the events menu and drag away broadcast message 1 block, and then make a new message called start game, START, start GME game. Click on OK, and we will attach this start game to this place first. When we click on the green flag, we'll broadcast a message called start game, and then let's drag another block called when I receive a message 1, and instead of selecting message 1, we are going to select start game, and when we receive this message, then only we are going to go here like this. So we can put this block in here, no problem. But when we broadcast the start game, then only we are going to go to this place, this guy. So this will go to this place down below the bar, or on the bottom of the bar like this. And now let's make it go up and down. For that, we need a variable. So to create a variable, we go back to the variable menu or variable tab, and then let's make a variable called speed, SPEED, speed. Click on OK, and now let's set the speed of our knob. So to set the speed, we drag a set as my variable block, and let's place it above the broadcast block like this, and select speed, and we are going to assign the speed the value 5 for now. Yeah, and each time our level goes up, and we will increase the speed 5 times more, or we will add the speed by 5. So for now, our initial speed will be 5, and we have assigned the speed to our knob as well. Now it's time to make it go upward, downward, upward, downward. So for that, let's go to control menu and drag a forever loop and attach it below the go to XY block like this, and then we go to the motions menu and go downwards, and there is something called change Y by 10 block. Drag it inside the forever loop like this, and instead of change Y by 10, we will replace it with our own speed. So for that, go to variable menu and drag the speed block inside here, and now let's see what happens. If you click in the green flag, it goes up and up and up. Yeah, because we are just changing the speed, changing the Y by speed, and it just goes up, 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 and continues going up because we haven't checked if we have reached this place or this place. So let's check and make our knob go downwards if it reaches the top of the bar. So for that, let's go to control menu and drag an if block like this inside the forever loop below the change Y by speed block, and then we go to the operators menu, and let me just drag OR operator here right now, and then we are going to drag another greater than operator and less than operator also, and place the greater than operator in the right part and place the less than operator in the left part. And next we are going to check the Y position of the knob. For that, let's go to motions menu, go downwards, and there is the Y position block here. Let's drag this in the left part here and drag another Y position in the left part here. So we are going to change the Y position to a number, and also check the Y position to another number if it is greater or less. So first of all, let me drag this knob here and let's see the top position. What's the Y position at this place? The Y position is exactly 100. So if Y position is greater than 100, then we are going to change the direction of the speed. And also let's drag down this knob down here, right here, and right now it's -68. So we are going to put -68 here, 68, and then drag this whole operator inside the if operator like this. And look what we have done. So we are checking if Y position is greater than 100, and also if we are checking Y position is less than -68. So if it happens, then we have to do something. So what we do is we go to the variables and then drag a set my variable block inside the if block here, and select the option speed, and then let's go back to operators menu and drag a multiplication operator inside here like this, and go back to the variable menu, drag a speed variable or the block inside here, and we are going to multiply this speed by -1. So what happens is if this condition satisfies, that means if it goes up beyond this bar or beyond this place, then we are going to change the speed by -1. We are just going to multiply the speed by -1. That means it will change the number. If the speed was 5, then it becomes -5 and goes downwards, and if the speed was -5, and then it goes upward as it changes to 5. So we are going just changing the sign of our speed, sometimes 5 and sometimes -5 based on which position it is. And that's it. So let's check if it happens or not. Click in the green flag, goes up, down, up, down, up, down, and that's how we make our power gauze, guys. So and we have something like this here, this green bar also. So this is the perfect timing bar. So let's see if it we are hitting the key in the perfect timing or not. For that, let's go to the events menu and then drag a when space key press block here, and then let's go to the control menu and drag an if else block like this, and after that we go to the sensing menu and drag a touching color block inside the if block, and we are going to choose the color, use the color picker to choose the exact color, this color. So if our knob is touching this color, then that's the perfect timing. So let's just say, for now, go to looks menu and just say perfect timing here, yeah, instead of hello, perfect, perfect. And if we have hit the space bar and it's not in the green position, green zone, then it's not perfect. Then drag another block and say failed. And now let's see, click in the green flag and perfect, yeah, it says perfect. And if I press in this place, failed. And that's how we make a perfect power bar or the power meter in here. And thank you guys for watching, and if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next part. Thank you.